funny, call up our producer. 800-667-8686. Bill Engvall is our guest, and it's always good to have Bill with us. So you got all your plans set for Christmas. What are you guys going to be doing?
No, we're gonna kind of take it. We're gonna take the kids on a little trip, and then down to Costa Rica, and
a little trip to Costa Rica.
Fucking bank of hard snow right there.
How many 15-year-old kids you know are making themselves look older just so they can buy spray paint? The only time you get a party, you can get a
Wow, video got to go viral.
senior discount. I don't know what's going on with me. The older I get,
What's wrong?
Dude, I don't mind getting older. I like the age. I don't like the side effects. Like, I think noises getting into bed now. Yeah, and it's weird because I still think I'm young. It's like I did a show down at the University of Florida. This just shows you where my life is. After the show, people in sorority groups came up. They were having a party out live. And also there was this little guy on my shoulder. He looked like me, but he had horns.
Yeah.
And he said, "Oh, dude, we've waited for this our whole life." And also there was another little guy on my other shoulder, had on a white robe, and he looked like me. And he said, "Dude, we've waited for this our whole life." I thought it'd be fun. Thank God the adult from the brain popped in and went, "Hey, yeah, it'll be fun when you show up at some sorority house and some girl goes, 'Hey, whose dad's here?'"
Man, listen, we hope you have a great Christmas and have fun in Costa Rica or whatever third world country you go to. And
you talk about Christmas coming up, and just when you're married for as long as I've been married, it's hard because you don't know what to get them anymore. And just a little tip for all the guys out there: if your wife says she doesn't care what you get her for Christmas, she's lying.
Right. Yes.
My wife never drives the bass boat I bought for her.
Big D and Bubba.
Thank you, guys. You're always the best.
On the radio, Big D and Bubba. Let's plow some snow, Darren! Where's that bitch? Where's that bitch? As long as they stay behind the front, this tire behind them poles. Look on it.
Big country.
From the NBA last night, Joakim Noah had a triple-double. Luol Deng and Carlos Boozer each scored 21 points apiece, and the Chicago Bulls down to Boston Celtics 100-89. Rajon Rondo led the Celtics with 26 points and 86.
Come on, Rondo.
Denver Nuggets improved to 7-1 at home by holding off the San Antonio Spurs 112-106. Wayne Wade scored 24. LeBron James added a double-double.
Oh, yeah.
Took down the Minnesota Timberwolves 103-92. And Lou Williams scored a season-high 24 points as the Atlanta Hawks beat Washington 100-95. The Hawks improved to 15-7. Local high school basketball, the Fort Kent girls defeated Madawaska 47-36.
Where the women are men too.
67-24. Game first.
Oh, that's where we are. Hello, Ashland.
Hockey, the Woodstock Slammers are gearing up for their final win of 2012. They'll take on the Campbell.
Yeah, where the men are men and the women are men too.
Hi, this is Harry Hafford speaking to you on behalf of the Northern Maine Veteran Cemetery Committee about the 4 Walls of Honor project. The walls are for displaying engraved name plaques on all who serve: Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guard, All veterans, both living and deceased, with a medical discharge or elderly. All active duty
You can't tell there's 16 inches.
Are eligible. There are no residency requirements. At this time, we have sold 254 tiles and need to sell another 16 tiles to enable us to start displaying name tiles on the walls.
Holy crap, nobody parked out back here. That's a bird.
Purchasing a engraved tile to be displayed on the appropriate wall for $100 to honor your favorite veteran and or active service person. For more details or for an application, call me, Harry Hafford, at 435-6024.
Back up,
Visit our website, Maine Veteran Cemetery, Caribou.org. Thank you for supporting our veterans.
What does the golfer in your life think about during the winter? Golfing is gorgeous.
See that yellow thing? That's my tool of trade.
Really enjoy. Gifts from Marshall Country Club. The Pro Shop is open Saturdays 10 to 1 now through Christmas. Stop by to pick up a gift certificate, good points for golf membership, license, custom clubs, and equipment. Or you can shop online at golfmhpc.com. It's shopping made easy for the golfer. Marshall Country Club, Northern Maine's best kept secret. Like them on Facebook. This holiday season, REI wants to know, why do you go outside? Campfire, cool.
Slow down.
Pizza plate.
Love.
Scarves.
Snow. Baseball.
For the love of skiing.
Morning.
Powder.
Air. Answering winter's call.
For the love of outside.
Hey, there's ground under there.
Guidance, inspiration.
It's so freaking white that the video is
Hurry in for the best selection. Visit your local REI or REI.com today.
trailer gets taken over here.
Thanks for listening. This is your 96.9. Christmas in the heart of our people here in the fall.
I think we need to crush a bombardier so we can tell where the snow is. Give it that yellow tint. You seriously gonna try to back out of there?
Don't get stuck. Don't fucking kill you. Get stuck in front of me. I'll just drive right down there and start plowing. You drive, you're a fucking shovel now. You can't back out of there.
You can back that thing out of there.
Wow.
That's a Subaru. It's got all-wheel drive. That's the only one that's gonna go down By the way, you're riding a Casper Chevrolet pickup.
Instead of fucking cleaning the snow off, you might have seen stuck in the middle of two snowbanks. Back right out and back right into that snowbank. I know you are.
Hey, tell them to stop.
Tell them to wait a frickin' minute. Tell them to wait a minute.
Wait. Stop.
Wait a minute. Clean the snow up and read the frickin' thing, you retard. Jesus. Don't care somewhere else.